Unzip it.
And 4. Perfect.
What do the tokens?
We'll go over that over the top.
What do that?
Alrighty, semicircle. We'll go over it, alright?
Okay.
Super, super easy. You can't mess up here. Trigger. That sound is reload. Red button up front will reload. You can reload it anytime. Okay? Main gun, unlimited. You cannot run out of ammo, okay? You have unlimited magazines. Now, you guys have those tokens, right?
Yep.
Those tokens can get you certain things. You can choose to upgrade guns with me. I have 3 options. I have a sniper, a shotgun, and an SMG. Or you can save them. You can use them. They're equivalent of $1. So if you want to go through twice, you can keep both tokens and you can end up giving them back up front, and it makes it $8 to go through instead of $10. Or I have guides up there that know secret paths and they know how to get past things better, and they're better guides. They need to be bid for. They are not free. I have free guides that are dumb guides, and they may not know as much, okay? So it's your choice on what you want to do. Now, these guns are almost $1,000 a pop, okay? We just bring the system in. They have little slings on them, so what you're going to do is you're going to throw it over your head or throw it through your head and your arm, whatever feels more comfortable. So go ahead and choose a gun off the tables for me, okay? With your gun though, bring your gun with me so I can upgrade it.
Hey,
you're staying regular, right? You're staying regular?
Shotgun.
You want to go
Shotgun.
What are you going? SMG.
I'll take shotgun.
So
I'll do
SMG.
SMG. Never mind.
What is SMG?
I'll take
So
shotgun.
you're going shotgun. All right. One token from you. One token from everybody.
SMG's the way to go, man. Yeah, I played with it yesterday, I think, or the day before.
SMG's pretty beast in there. Easy mode.
SMG's easy mode, or?
SMG's easy mode. You can
Alright,
slam.
I'll take SMG.
All of you come in here then all at the same time. Go ahead and point your guns at me.
I need a
Gun pointed at the box, at the box, at the box. Alright. Oops, wrong button. No! Press wrong button. Alright, you guys have SMGs. Alright, so what you're gonna do, don't waste your ammo because your new gun has limited mags, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back down the hallway you came through, but this time you're gonna go up the flight of stairs, you're gonna go to the pool room, you're gonna find a guide, okay? Okay. Perfect. Head on up, gentlemen.
How much are you guides?
How much are us?
Yeah.
We are 3 tokens.
Each or together?
I don't know.
Together.
Hey, they're a group. That's a pretty good deal. You got 2 guides.
I'm one, but you only get 1 guide.
Are they the smart ones or are they the dumb ones?
Well, the more they are, the more expensive. But they're 1.5 each, so this one's only 1.
He's 1?
Yeah, this guy's 1.
Oh, we could find more, right?
There is one more guide coming up in about 3 or 4 minutes if you guys want to wait.
Is that the free one?
It's a lady. If you want a lady.
Did we let the kids or these 2 kids? Which one?
Why do I have to make this?
What do you guys want? You guys want a duo?
I feel like if it's a duo, they could die first, and then, you know.
Yeah, do we push them forward? Could they be in the front?
I think you can choose where you're going to put them if you want.
Yeah, we can put one in the front, one in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I think we should do these guys, right? We have all our tokens?
That'd be pretty smart there. Yeah.
Alright, let's do that, yeah?
Oh, wait, I thought it was only 3 tokens.
It's 3.
Yeah.
So,
So we have 1 extra, I guess?
yeah.
All 3?
3 for you guys.
Okay,
Perfect.
so you're first.
Yes.
Well,
You
one
guys
of
ready?
the. Yes.
Okay, so there's a few basic rules. Yeah, stay with the guides because we don't want you getting lost and getting eaten by zombies. Also, don't actually physically hit the zombies because we don't want to injure them too bad. And then don't go running around because you might get lost. And yeah, there's a few objectives we got to complete while we're in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're all going to come this way.
Alright.
I'm scared.
Hold on. Yeah, what do you guys
One of you guys can go. Can one of you guys go in the back? One of the guides, and you got the rear.
Yeah, one's gonna go in the back.
Okay, wait, here. I gotta go first. You gotta let me go first. You ready? Okay.
Ate some close. You died. It's all your fault.
Okay. Wait for everybody to get down the stairs.
This is
Okay.
I'm scared.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah. Hey Brian,
Ready?
you can go first, Brian.
Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're going. Everybody follow me. Watch out!
Hey, something right there.
Where's the fourth guy? Oh, there he is.
Locked in. Tango down.
Okay, I need you. Ah! Shit! You gotta keep down that door. Everybody in the bunker! Everybody in the bunker! Everybody here! Everybody in!
Locked and loaded.
You go first. I'm
Hey
at
guys,
25.
stay right here! Stay right here!
You died?
Where did my guy? Okay, guys, we gotta find the hand with the glowy finger. What? Just wait. Find it. Does anybody see it? Turn over. It's on the outside.
It's on the floor too.
Is it? Is it? Oh, is that one?
Yeah.
He's picking his nose.
Grab it. Okay, we're gonna press the glowy finger to the button. Wait for the button to turn green.
Is that what you doing?
Yeah, press harder. There we go. Okay, you guys ready? We're going back out. You guys ready?
Forward. I'm at
Okay.
25.
We're going through.
No.
Tango down.
Let's go.
What time is it? So go shoot for forward.
Locked and loaded.
We're going this way. Oh no, there's a crawler.
Ah! Shit!
Locked and loaded.
Oh wait. No, we went the wrong way. We're going back out here.
Tango down.
Hey, you guys ready? You guys ready? We're going through. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Locked and loaded.
Is everybody following? You and your friend.
Tango down.
Let's go, guys.
They killed everybody down, but you respawn.
I know.
They killed me, they
We
respawn.
respawn too.
Yeah, you respawn.
Where's the fourth guy? Oh, there is. Okay. I need you to break down the wall. Kick it down. Break it down. Get down the top one. And here, I'll go through first. You ready? Let's go. Everybody in the safe house. In the bunker. Everybody in. Everybody in. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Everybody in, everybody in. Go. Okay. We're gonna need you to hold down the red button. Put up the switch and hold down the red button.
I'm like, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Locked and loaded. Tango down.
Is everybody following?
Yeah. Oh shit. Calm down.
Everybody over here! Everybody in, everybody in, everybody in! Okay, we're all good. You can exit through that door right there.
Back the hallway you just came down, but instead this time you're gonna go upstairs and find a guide, okay? Alrighty, my group that just exited, just go ahead and drop guns carefully back on the table for me.